Everybody fucking jump!
Alright, you shoe believers, welcome back to the Ozone. It's been a while, but we're back. We'll get you guys a little bit of box action. Because for those of you who don't know, I buy 2 pairs of every shoe each year. Of every Jordan GR and Nike GR. I'm trying to open up a shoe museum so that we can all enjoy future shoes. Get you guys a little bit of label action. This one reads the Air Jordan 1 Mid Gang Royal Rush Orange and Flannel. I'm a little bit behind, but I'm catching up, guys. I had to take care of some things. These are called the Wheaties boxes. Some people have been calling these the New York Knicks. Not a bad shoe in my opinion. Had to have a pair. Got this pair for a youngling, just checking them out, make sure they're okay. In my opinion, whether you're a Wheaties fan or a Knicks fan, you should be okay. To me, it's an overall good shoe. I don't have any complaints about it. You know what you guys think about it. Standard Jordan bottom, all orange. Let's look at the top of the shoe. I think I'm going to start reviewing more bigger sizes because they stand up to the light and the camera better. Let me know what you guys think. I wonder what is the ideal size shoe to actually record. Materials on this shoe are standard Jordan Mid. The leather is not too good, it's not too bad. It's good enough for a shoe. There's nothing spectacular about it. Get the little New York Knicks blue or Wheaties box blue on this side. On the toe guard. Orange Nike swoosh. Just standard white leather. Not tumbled. Going on to the back of the shoe, we see we get the white upper. That Knicks blue break up with a little bit of the orange on the back as well. For some odd reason, this shoe seems to shine brighter than the other shoes when you got the light on it. Same on this side, guys. To let you see the tongue again, just that orange tongue. And back to the bottom. It's a pretty good Jordan 1 Mid. Know what you guys think about this one. Give you a look at what the shoe's going to look like when it's on your foot. Are you going for a pair of these? Did you manage to get yourself a pair of these? I think anybody who likes Jordan 1 Mid should have this in the collection. It seems to be pretty easy to match this with stuff too. Alright guys, you know what time it is. Let me know what shoes you want to see on the channel next. Let me know what shoes you're buying. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe on this so we can keep this channel growing. Everybody stay safe. Have a nice day.
Everybody fucking jump!